Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can control your user and permissions on Shopify. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to create an account on the Shopify, and after that, we need to move to this option which is called settings. So we have to click on the settings icon, and after clicking on settings icon, we need to go to the user and permissions. So as you can see, here's the user and permissions. Here you will be able to see all the permissions if you have gave any permission to anyone. So as you can see, here's the compare plans staff account. Select a subscription plan that include additional staff account and control who can do what. It's up to your subscription plan. And after that, as you can see, anyone can send a collaborator request, and only people with a collaborator request code can send a collaborator request. So as you can see, you can also control these. And this is the code. If you want to change the code, you can also do that. Or if you click on the generate a new code and generate a code, it will take few seconds and it will generate a code again. So as you can see, the code is generated. Now as you can see, this is the Google Apps, this is the status, and if you want to edit this, you can also do that. You can enable Google Apps for login. What is your Google Apps domain? If you want to change the domain, you can also do that. So these all settings are provided here. If you want to transfer your ownership, you can also do that. You have to provide the email address and the first name and the last name and the password for confirming that you are using it, and then simply you have to transfer store ownership, and the store ownership will be transferred to that person. So in this way, you can use your user and permissions option on Shopify. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.